Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series X Pro guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Xbox Series X carefully, ensuring all components are intact. Locate the power cable and plug it into the back of the console. Connect the other end of the power cable to a wall outlet or power strip. Find the HDMI cable in the box and plug one end into the HDMI out port on the console. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV's HDMI input. Turn on your TV and select the appropriate HDMI input to display the Xbox. Press the Xbox logo button on the front of the console to power it on. Wait for the console to boot up and display the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language and region. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if needed. Connect the console to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password to establish the internet connection. Allow the console to download any available system updates. Once updates are complete, you'll be directed to the home screen. Navigate through the interface to customize your settings as desired. Set up console preferences like privacy and online safety settings. If you have an existing game library, sign into Xbox Game Pass or your account to access it. Insert any physical game discs into the console or download games from the store. Adjust your display settings for optimal resolution and audio format as needed. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the controller by trying out the different buttons and features. Your Xbox Series X is now set up and ready for gaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.